Hello, people of the internet. It is the one and only transfer person. Fuck me, fuck. No, fuck that intro. Alright, hold on. I'm refusing to edit this out, so let's fucking try that again. Okay. Hello, people. Internet. Welcome to the first video of Psychotic T. How's it going? How's your life doing? Is it doing good? Yeah, that's great. If you said no, I'm sorry. I just called your shitty life great. That's okay. You'll probably get over it. So, basically, this video is literally just an introduction of me. Not really gonna tell you anything about me, because you don't need to know anything about me. All you need to know is that I'm a faceless camera with just a weird voice that oddly goes around the same yard for every video, and it's totally not because I am completely low budget and having to use a phone. That's not what it is at all. I have no clue what you are talking about, internet. Good times we have. I guess there really isn't much that I have to say for this. After all, it is literally the very first video. I guess I will thank my starter channel, Raven Corax. Don't worry, it's not anyone else. It's me. Okay, it's still me, the Raven Corax channel, but you know, a different channel. So yeah. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'm really wondering why you stayed this long into the video. Alright, yeah. I'll talk to you guys later.